human rights, no Beijing Olympics.
No human rights, no Beijing Olympics.
No human rights, no Beijing Olympics.
No human rights, no Beijing Olympics.
Beijing Olympics is a bloody Olympic.
Beijing Olympics is a bloody
Beijing Olympics is a bloody Olympic.
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 CCP is a global threat.
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 Stop the genocide in Tibet.
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 Boycott Beijing 2022.
Boycott Beijing 2022.
Boycott Beijing Olympics 2022.
Boycott Beijing Olympics 2022.
Boycott Beijing Olympics 2022.
Boycott Beijing Olympics 2022.
Well, we are gathered here to boycott Beijing Olympics 2022 in Beijing, China, because of human rights violation, which they have not only ostracized in Tibet, but all over the world in so many countries to so many people. There are a lot of countries who have boycotted Beijing Olympics. There are a lot of leaders who have said they're not going to attend. And I think they have also been athletes. But we would like to ask everyone not to make complicit. Athletes must boycott the opening ceremony. Fans, please do not watch the Beijing Olympics on the television. There are only a few days. I think there's only 3 days left for us. And there have been campaigns all over the world. There will be a huge campaign, even in New York, from other organizations. But we, the Regional Tibetan Women's Association of New York and New Jersey, would like to implore to the world to heed to what is happening in China. In 2008, they had made promises which they did not keep. And situations in China with the Tibetans, Uyghur, Hong Kongers, Taiwanese, Vietnamese, so many countries, they have ruined lives, they have killed, there has been genocide. We would like to stop that, and the only way we can stop it is with the help of the world. We implore the world to listen, to heed to what we are saying, to the International Olympics Committee. That's what we are here for. Thank you so much. And beach has Karine, but do not see Kanine chickens, Parallel, and Tinakabdala, and me, who is and those chickens with Dinesh Raneoche, Dine and the young having chicken good. Chicken lover, stung to do on a copious chickens in the way which had Dr. Ding. Then get Samolo, and it can't your chickens with the dollar and the shower. Pegalo!
Pegalo!
Stop the genocide in Tibet! Stop the genocide in Tibet! No rights, no game!
No rights, no game!
CCP is the global threat! CCP is
The global threat.
Boycott Beijing Olympics! Boycott Beijing Olympics! Stop the genocide in Tibet! Stop the genocide in Tibet! CCP is the global threat! CCP is the global threat! Stop the genocide in Tibet! Stop the genocide in Tibet! Boycott Beijing Olympics! Boycott Beijing Olympics! No human rights! No game! No human rights! No game! Stop the genocide in Tibet! Stop the genocide in Tibet! Boycott Beijing Olympics! Boycott Beijing Olympics! Beijing Olympics is the bloody Olympics!
Boycott Beijing Olympics 2022.
Stop genocide in Tibet! Stop the killing in Tibet! Beijing Olympics is a bloody Olympics!
You just